Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna read. Are you ready to play outside? Are you ready to play outside? By Mo Willems. Piggy! Gerald! Are you ready to play outside? Yes, yes, yes! We're going to do everything today. We're going to run. We are going to skip. We are going to jump. Nothing can stop us. Pink! What happened? Oh no, it is starting to rain. It is raining. It is pouring. It is really pouring. I've never seen so much rain in my life. I do not like rain. I am not happy pig. What happened to me? Thank you, Gerald. But it is still raining. How can anyone play outside with all this rain? Rain! Yay! Splish, splish, splish. Splash, splash, splash. They are having fun. Hey, we can have fun too. We can try. Splash! This is great. Let's play. Run, run, run. Skip, skip, skip. Jump, jump, jump. I love rain. I hope it rains every day. Yes. Now I like rain. And now all the rain has stopped. I'm not happy. Do not worry, Piggy. I have a plan. Rain! Elephants make the best friends.